this is Janet, and I'm here for our second session of FAC, Friday Art Club. Today we're going to make some salt dough ornaments, and what you need is half a cup of salt, half a cup of flour, and a fourth cup of lukewarm water. Take all that and mix it up in a bowl until you get a doughy consistency like Play-Doh, or if you've ever made a pie, like the pie crust. And then you put it on aluminum foil, flatten it down. I have a roller that I'm just kind of rolling it down over the aluminum foil and get it kind of thin. And then you can take a cookie cutter of any kind. I just have a round cutter, and I'm going to press down, and then I'm going to take off all the side parts and put it back in the bowl. And then you raise it up, and you have an ornament with little crimped edges like a little pie. I have a starfish that has texture on it, so you want to make sure you get something that has texture. I did this on Saturday with my granddaughter, and I did a little hand print, and she gave it to her mother for Mother's Day. But since it's past Mother's Day, you can just do another little ornament. And so you want to make sure that whatever you use has some texture on it, and you put that face down and you press it all the way down into the dough, and then you lift it up, take it out, and there's an impression there of the starfish. So then you want to take a straw and you want to put it on the top part of the ornament, kind of wiggle it around a little bit, take it out so that the dough is inside the straw. So then you have an ornament that you can put a string through or a ribbon through, and then you want to bake this at 200 degrees for 3 hours. It's a long time, but then it'll dry it out and it'll be hard, and you can paint it or you can just leave it like this. But they are really fun to do, and you can make a lot of them and just use rocks, leaves, whatever you want to do, but they're very fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed this session of FAC, Friday Art Club, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Hope you're all safe.